Hey guys, today I wanted to be showing you where I keep all my slime. On the first compartment, you will find many fragrances, food coloring, some foam beads, sprinkles, clay, and beads for slime. In the second compartment, you will find shaving cream, sodium tetraborate, lots and lots of foam beads, and a lot of fake snow. You also will find foaming hand soap. In the third compartment, you will find many slimes. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite slimes, starting with this one called Blueberry Sprinkles. It has such a good texture and I really love it. The next slime that I really love is this one that I bought. It's so amazing and I just loved it. I have a bunch of small slimes, starting with kiwi slime, mint chocolate chip slime, jiggly slime, banana split slime, just a bunch of really nice slimes. I have a bunch of foams and I just really love them. They're all different colors and they're so cool to play with. And the fourth cabinet has a bunch of different glues and it has clear glue, white glue, 2 bottles of Sta-Flo, a borax mixture, gel glue, goes on purple dries clear glue, glitter glue, and yeah, just a bunch of glue. The last cabinet that we have has just a lot of containers, and yeah, it has some bowls that I sometimes use to make slime. I have more containers, but these are just the ones that are in this cabinet for now. I've confirmed that we are going to be doing a giveaway, giving away this slime. If you want to be part of this giveaway, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite type of slime. Bye guys!